Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and on this video we're going to do a room tour. I'll head outside and show you my room outside and see. I'm sorry, I'm using this phone because the other phone, I don't know if I'll make a video with it, but I just want to make this guys the content that you need. Before I mess up this room, let me do a tour haraka. So this is my room. First we enter tunapata this closet. Let me close these. Okay, we have some two pillows there. Then I think this is kind of like the closet. This is the first thing you see. Then on my left I have the bathroom. Let's just get into the bathroom. We have the bathroom. Let me turn on the light. Okay, why is it not? Okay, I put the key and the light comes out. Interesting. Okay, I think this is in our shelf window. Okay, now I'm getting it. You see guys, if I move this key here, then I turn this off. Can I turn it? Yeah. Okay, I don't know why it anyway. So we have the bathroom here. Sorry, I'm using a flashlight. I've just put some of my stuff. I have my panty liners, my skincare routine, some are here. Then they have hand lotion. They have a soap dispenser. So cute. Okay, this and I love this thing here. They have here. Then we have the toilet and the bathroom. We have shampoo, conditioner, and the shower gel. Look, this is so cute. Yeah, something else I saw when I was coming here, and they give you this shower cup. So cute, so cute. And the shower, it's hot. Then I have my towels over here. So on to the next. I don't know what this part is. I don't know what this. Maybe it's for changing the baby if you have a kid. I don't know. Then I have my table here, this table. Over here, I've put some stuff. Then you get Maggie. Today is the day I checked in actually. I have Maggie. I was trying to check out the bocals. I'm trying to fix the hair, but I just decided to put some sunglasses on top and style it like that. This is the Maggie the driver gave me when he picked me up. I have some coffee. I can have coffee. Then I have this seat over here. It's been raining, so I think this is the water hole where the animals come to feed. We'll see if we get if the animals watakuja, I get the view, because the elephants, they come and drink maji here. Then it's this big, let me go back, but it's so large. I'm sure if I use the other phone to make other content, it will be so much better. Anyway, then I have this big ass bed over here. Look at this bed, just for me to sleep in. And there's this small bed. So I booked for 3 nights, and I got this 15% discount, and I paid 28,611. Then inclusive, I paid for the driver's pickup, which it was 2,500. I paid 5,000 to pick me up at the train station and to drop me off when I'm leaving. So total I paid 34,611, of which it's worth it, and meals are on. So this room I paid, as I said, I paid full board. I'm having all the meals here. I paid 28,611. Initial cost, it's 11,000 and something per day, but since I booked before Christmas, the festive seasons, because they said past 16th it's going to be more. So I pay 11,000 times 2, it's supposed to be like 34K. Then they gave me the 15% discount. I paid 28,611 for 3 nights on full board. I think the alcoholic drinks is what I'll be buying. I think I'll just get soft drinks and food, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Yeah, and if I'm interested in safari, hope if I get some friends, we can go for safari together, and we do go check out Savo. Meanwhile, I want to freshen up and give a go have a look see at the hotel. Hopefully the other phone will be fully charged by then. I think I'll just use this phone to vlog and do everything. Yeah. Let me freshen up and we dress up. We go have some wine. We go have some wine. We go have some wine. Bye bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.